This week has been a bit crazy in the stock market. GameStop stock has been going to the moon this week, and the reason is pretty crazy. A subreddit of over 2 million people called WallStreetBets basically put all of their money into GameStop stock to rise it. And they basically skyrocketed GameStop stock all by themselves. Their goal was to be able to pull off a short squeeze, and boy did they do it. A short squeeze is when there's a dramatic increase in a stock price due to technical factors, not factors with the company itself. As many of you probably know, GameStop is becoming obsolete in the gaming industry and business. This is because you can buy anything gaming online. Most people go to Amazon or other online shopping venues to get their games and gaming consoles. And GameStop really hasn't been doing very well financially. So now you know a bit of what's going on this week regarding GameStop stock. Let's actually go take a look at WallStreetBets and see some of these crazy posts. So as you can see on the main page of WallStreetBets, there's literally a pinned post for GameStop stock for today. GameStop stock is ticker symbol GME for those of you that want to follow along. But as you can see right under that post, there's a post that says warning. There's a conspiracy theory among WallStreetBets posters saying that the mainstream media and normal hedge funds are trying to go against WallStreetBets and trying to drive the price of GameStop back down. Posters are claiming that new users are coming into the subreddit and telling everyone to buy up AMC and Nokia stock. They say the goal of these new posters is to get everyone away from GameStop and onto other stocks. The theory is that financial institutions and hedge funds are having huge losses because of this GameStop short squeeze, and they want everyone to sell GameStop right now to prevent more losses. There was even a report done by CNBC saying that a hedge fund, Melvin Capital, closed out all of their positions in GameStop. And of course, the Redditors in WallStreetBets are saying that this CNBC article is fake. They claim that this is a play by CNBC and Melvin Capital to get everyone to sell GameStop stock. Honestly, I didn't know there could be this much drama within the stock market, but I'm kind of all for it. Even after all of this, the WallStreetBets community is still all in on GameStop stock. A lot of them have bought thousands to $100,000 worth of GameStop stock, and they plan on holding it. They view it as a personal attack by these hedge funds, and they want to hold their money so these hedge funds lose a bunch of money. I thought it'd be fun to go check out some of these posts on WallStreetBets, so we're gonna go look at that right now. Okay, so you can see this first post by user Yup the Hoop is actually about that CNBC article and Melvin Capital. This poster says, Melvin Capital has not closed their positions, volume is too low for it to even be possible. The short interest has not changed. And you can see this post got 9,000 upvotes, and everyone in this subreddit is believing that this CNBC article is fake. Now, while I don't know if this is fake or not, everyone on this subreddit is crazy about it. You can see the bottom post in this image says, when you read fake news on CNBC that Melvin Capital supposedly closed out, and you can see it's a meme. They have so many memes on this page. If you want a good laugh about the stock market, I would go to this subreddit right now. Okay, so this next post is a screenshot, and this person says yesterday they posted a $2.5 million loss on GameStop, but today he's up $7.8 million. Now this poster's current market value of GameStop is around $13 million. Some of these people in WallStreetBets have a lot of money, and this is just like playing around to them. I'll get to this later in the video, but I'll tell you why you should or should not hop on this trend right now. And then this last one I'm going to show you is just something that I didn't really know before. So this poster says, call your broker, do not allow your shares to be lent out. Now I didn't know this, but when you trade stocks using different brokerages, they can actually lend your shares out to other people. So if you don't want them to do that, you need to call your broker and say, I want all of these shares in my name and I do not want them to be lent out. Now this is a tactic by these WallStreetBets posters because they don't want any of these stocks to be lent out to large financial institutions or hedge funds. And just to show you how much this hedge fund, Melvin Capital, has lost so far, I'm going to throw this post up on the screen saying, "Theory, the hold is working," meaning the GameStop hold by all of these WallStreetBets investors is working and losing Melvin Capital a bunch of money. This post goes on to say that Melvin Capital had around $13 billion in assets. They were down $3.7 billion at one point, and at the very end, they basically say Melvin Capital is now at a $13 billion loss, mainly due to this GameStop play by WallStreetBets investors. Okay, so as I said, we've seen what's going on with this stock, with this subreddit, but what should you do? Would you actually go and buy GameStop stock? Do you want to take down all the hedge funds just like these posters? Well, in my personal opinion, I think you should stay very far away from stuff like this. Plays like this are very dangerous and you could lose a lot of money fast. You're basically betting on all of these people buying and holding a stock just because. Nothing to do with underlying business fundamentals or anything to do with the company GameStop itself. I always like to trade stocks based off the companies and whether or not I think they'll grow over time. Now, get rich quick plays just like this one usually don't work out for the majority of people. So now you know what's going on with GameStop stock and WallStreetBets. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.